Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see who visits your Instagram profile. I will be just tapping on simply this Instagram app and make sure you will have logged in. And I will be just move in the top right corner bottom is the option is profile icon. And I will be just getting and now you will just move in the top right corner of three lines of settings. I will just simply just get in and you will just find in the for professionals is the first option is that insights. I will be just tap on it simply. So this is the inside dashboard and here you will see who one visits your profile by the views, by the interaction, by the new followers, which you content you shared. So these all are the analysis. So the second method is that you will just move in your profile and example I will just tab on it this picture and I will be just simply tap on the top right corner of three dots and here is the option is insights. So you will see in this way you will just know that who will visit your Instagram profile. So Instagram exactly not show you who is visit, but it will just shows you by the number of reach your account, by the views, by the followers, and that's it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.